Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I will be showing you the best affordable laser jet printer, the Ricoh SP 111 laser jet printer. So let's get started. So here's the Ricoh SP 111 jam-free monochrome laser printer, and this printer only costs 3,500 rupees. Again guys, the price has more come down around 3,400 rupees, which is great. Again, the best buy link will be in the description box, you can check that out. So guys, if you are kind of a new in printers category, so just to give you an idea, if you know those kind of inkjet or deskjet printers, they are very cheap. They cost around 2,000, 3,000 or 3,500 rupees. The reason why they cost this cheap because they don't use the laser technology. Because of that, they are very slow. Also, the printing cost is also high. And the people who have low budget, they mostly go for those kind of printers. But a person who has high budget, they mostly go for the laser printer because the printing cost is very low. Also, the printing speed is very fast. So guys, there is no brand as of now which gives this cheap printer except this Ricoh brand. So again guys, I did not buy this printer to specially review this printer. I purchased it for my personal use. I thought this would be a very cheap kind of printer because this thing costs only 3,500 rupees. I was not very sure to review this printer. But when I got this printer and when I started using this printer, I really liked this printer considering its amount. It only costs 3,500 rupees. So guys, starting from the overview, also guys, as you can see, I've already unboxed it. This is its box, it's pretty big. And on the box guys, it says its MRP is around 6,500 rupees. And again, in box content you get user manual, a CD to install the drivers, and a cable and a USB cable to connect it with your computer. And this is the Ricoh SP 111 jam-free printer. And again guys, the jam-free printer means that there will be no paper stuck inside the printer. In short guys, it's very easy to use printer. And to give you the overview, it has plastic build quality. But guys, this printer weighs very high. Again, the Ricoh brand says it's very lightweight. So definitely not. It's very weighted printer. It weighs around 6.5 kg. Which is high considering it's a A4 size printer. And again, it's a A4 size printer and its DPI is 1200 by 600 DPI. And from here you can keep the papers, and if you open this flap, the papers come from this side. And to replace its toner, here it has a flap, just open it. You can pull the toner out like this. And also guys, the good thing about this toner is that you can refill the toner by yourself. Again, the Ricoh has also their toner powder. Again, I will be linking that toner powder in the description. That will help you if you buy this printer. Just open this cap and you can fill the powder inside it. And also here it says if you open it, the warranty will be not there. So do consider this before opening it. So yeah, this is how you can put the toner back inside like this and just close it. And now just connect the USB cable into your computer and start printing. And this is how it prints. And again guys, it's a monochrome printer. It's a black and white printer guys. If you want the color printer, they are very costly in laser jet category. They are very costly. If you have the low budget, I would suggest you go with the inkjet or deskjet printer if you want the color printer. But again guys, I don't think most of the time the color prints are important. The black and white prints also works. Also, they are very cheap to print. Also, the printers which are black and white, they are very easy to maintain. And talking about its print quality, is 1200 by 1600 DPI. And guys, I would say for the images and for normal text size, it's okay. But if you print very small text size, you can't see those because it's only 600 DPI, that's why. But overall, considering its price point, I would say the quality is amazing. Also, it prints very quickly, but only one problem it has, but again, it's not a big problem. It makes too much noise, but it's common in these cheap laser printer categories, so I would say it's not a big issue. But guys, if you don't believe in this Ricoh brand and if you can pump your budget up, you can also have a look for the Samsung laser printer which costs around 5,000 rupees. But guys, in the category of under 4500 rupees, this Ricoh LaserJet printer is the best because there is no other competitor under 4500 rupees as of now in LaserJet category. And talking about the print cost, it can print one paper for 0.50 paisa, which is half rupee. And guys, if you are having Windows 10 and in case if you having problem to install its driver, I will be linking a tutorial link in the description box. Just watch it. In under 1 minute you can easily install its driver. It's very easy. So overall guys, I would say I'm using this printer for around 2 weeks and I have to say that this is the very value for money product. So if you are a student or if you just want a printer for your home, definitely you can buy this printer. It's a really good printer for its price, and from my side it's a big yes. Just go for it and subscribe to this channel now to watch more cool videos like this. Okay, so this is it guys. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and all the product links will be in the description box. You can check that out. And also guys, post your thoughts in comment section and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and press that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching Unbox Extinction, and I will see you guys in my next video.